Hey guys, Marissa here with discoverintuition.com and marissamorris.com. I just wanted to officially show you how to use the snow globe. There's a lot of you guys that have bought the snow globes just because you're like, oh wow, I want to get a snow globe. Marissa uses a snow globe, but no one's ever really shown you how to use it. So figured I actually had a space set up all in the back, and then the next door neighbors decided they were going to be like the biggest partiers in the world. So I was like, okay, I'll go out buy all the snow globes and teach you guys how to do the snow globe. There's lots of snow globes. So I'm going to pull this bench over here and I'm going to sit down and I'm going to teach you how to do the snow globe. So it's super easy, and I prefer to use something that's an actual like tangible thing. Like we have the heart ones here. I have these programmed with unconditional love and forgiveness for self, and then basically whatever it is that your higher self believes that you need at any given moment. And I've had a lot of people find their soulmates because of this, whether it's just their intention, whether it's what I actually put in the thing, I don't know, but they work. So it kind of really don't care whether it was me or God or them or whatever. So anyways, I've also got these guys, which I love. What's funny is I have one here that we were doing manifestation exercise, and I wrote down $187,000, and I meant to write per year. And I wrote down per month. And so like just joking around, I was like, okay, fine. I'll just leave $187,000 per month. So the thing that you do is you write down your manifestation, you take the back of this off, you put it in there, and then you hold this, you feel what it feels like. And then you say, this now represents what is written inside. Please show me what it feels like or looks like. And it's like, I saw this goop and grime and slime, around it. So I was like, okay, I can't remember the thing for the old thing for the snow globe that I used at the time, because now we use the void. But now all I say is calling upon the divine Holy Spirit within to connect me with the energies of the snow globe. I now ask that a laser beam of rainbow energy cleanse, clear, balance my snow globe now. So I see like this just like hot white light with some color kind of in it, with crystalline color kind of in it, coming down, and it's just dissolving away all the stuff that's on the snow globe, leaving the snow globe nice and clean. $187,000 a month is a lot of money. It's a lot of money. So I dissolved everything, and then I just kind of like let it be. And then I was like, okay, now I want to lose weight. So I got another one, and I wrote down 142 pounds, which would have been a dream at the time, because I was like 190 or 200 because I had just been pregnant. So it was funny because one of my friends is a medium, and she's super psychic. Her name is Isabel. You guys hear me talk about her all the time if you're part of my classes. And she picks it up, and she's like, and I told her, tune into these different snow globes and see if they've worked for manifestation or weight loss or whatever. So she tunes into it, and she goes, oh my God, I feel so fat right now. And I was like, oh no, that's horrible. It makes her feel fat. And it's funny because she's like 110 pounds. So what happened was the weight that I put in here, she like felt like she became when she tuned into the snow globe. So obviously it was like 40 pounds heavier than she was used to being, or 30 pounds heavier. So I guess it works. But anyways, these little square ones are awesome because you can make them for anything. They're programmed with the quantum energies that I use, which is the divine white light of the Holy Spirit, the golden light, liquid light of the Christ, and then the silver light of your creator self. Everybody has a different creator self. And then now that the rainbow energies have been entered into this reality, now the rainbow energies are kind of combined in with this as well. In about a month or two, we're going to be totally open to the rainbow consciousness, but right now we can still use the rainbow consciousness to pull down and clear things, and that's a whole nother story. But a week after I did the $187,000 a year or a month thing, I got a call from Hay House offering me my own radio show. I'd never written a book other than these books. I have all these books here that are self-published. Those are published by Waterside, which is Bill's company, so they're pretty much self-published. And then me and my dad have all of our Bible books and stuff, but they're all self-published, and they're all just me channeling, not writing. So I got a two book. Well, a few days after I did that, I got a call back from Hay House because I had told Bill, I'm not going to do any more books with you until you get my dad a book deal over at Hay House. I love Hay House. I love him. I love him. I've always seen myself working with him, so I want my dad's book there, The Snow Globe. And so anyway, after a couple months of him calling them not calling him back, they called him back and they said, hey, we'll meet with your supposedly next best thing clairvoyant. And so I had my meeting with them, and they liked me, and I got a two book deal, a radio show, some cards, 6 meditations, and like Bill said, that was like pretty much unheard of, seeing as that I wasn't a writer and I didn't have 100,000 million followers on Facebook. And yeah, so anyways, I truly believe that doing that, the cord release from this made all the difference in the world. So what's really happening when you're doing this is you're making the snow globe a situation. You're asking to see the blocks, and then you're using the cosmic energies, the laws of the universe, and visualization as your higher self to dissolve them. The cool thing about this is you don't have to be like, I'm my higher self. You don't have to do any of that stuff because it's already programmed. You can be like in the worst place in the world and just be like, show me what it looks like, and dissolve it, and you're good. You don't have to be like talented enough to get into your higher self, which doesn't require talent, but a lot of people do feel like that. And that's why I created the snow globe. So that's these snow globes. I'll do a separate video for this guy right here because I love this one. Okay, see you soon.